My name's Meena, and I've been an instructor of English for the last 5 years and still counting. And today I want to talk to you about why you should sign up for an English speaking course. Well, I'd say why not, since English is a global language, and I believe everywhere people are picking up this language. And even if you're technically qualified, it doesn't guarantee that you'll get a job, because if you don't understand the questions or what's happening during an interview, you won't be able to answer the questions and crack the interview.
Hey, what is really the benefit of learning English?
Well, you tell me. Like, let's say you put yourself in a situation in which you didn't know the language. Do you think you would have had this kind of confidence, or you would have been able to talk to, let's say, girls, for a matter of fact? No. Because you need the language, especially in today's scenario when you know that there's so much of competition, and the only thing setting you apart from the others is your language.
But if you're technically so qualified, what's the point of
Yeah, but then
learning?
how do you explain to the person if you don't know the language? Now, let's say I'm asking you a question in English. Now, if you turn around and answer me in your native language, definitely I think I would form an opinion about you that, okay, you're technically qualified, but then how are we ever going to have a good conversation, a meaningful conversation, when we don't even share the same language, isn't it? So I would say that we need to be on a common platform, and English is that one language which I feel unites the world. Since we are divided, India itself, if you look at it, it's divided into so many regions and states, and I believe one of my students only told me that the language changes after every, I think, 50 or 100 kilometers. Now, how do we take care of that problem? We need to pick up that one language which will be common and global, and now I think it's socially really acceptable to speak English. I have students who've actually, had tears in their eyes when they said that, okay, our friends look down upon us, or we don't get a job in spite of being so good and having such great marks, because they cannot speak this language. Now, coming back to the topic of jobs, most of the jobs these days are being offered by multinational companies. Now again, okay, you may be brilliant, you must have passed out with top honors, but now let's say your native language is, let's say for example, Punjabi or Kannada or Tamil, and the person who is interviewing you is sitting like, he's transatlantic, and the only language he would understand is English. Now, how do you get your point across, or how do you land up with the job when you don't even have the same language? Okay, you can probably start off with hi, how are you, and that's it. Then you're going to be stuck. So now to erase that problem, or to make you more confident and help you land your dream job, I think you need to go in for an English speaking course.
Hi, I'm Abhishek. I've been a teacher for 5 years now, and today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of learning English. Did you know that many doctors, engineers, computer specialists from our country have found jobs abroad? What makes these candidates so eligible? Sure, your qualifications, your confidence, all of that plays a part, but there is one skill that is the most important, and that is the ability to communicate. So why is learning English important? Well, there are actually two big reasons for it. The first one is that English is the language of international business. The first important reason to learn English and why English is important would be the fact that it allows you to communicate with a variety of people. We live in a multilingual country, so everyone speaks a different language, especially even in Delhi. Everyone comes from different parts of the country, parts of the world. So if I want to interact with different people, learn about their cultures, I would have to speak a language that we share. And more often than not, it happens to be English. The second most important reason is that English allows for access to a lot of information. We live in a knowledge society today, so the internet, for instance, is extremely important. So to find information, to study different courses, a variety of knowledge would be available to you if you speak English and if you understand English. So I think that's the second most important reason.
What is the third?
The third most important reason would be that if you're looking for a job, as everyone is, then a person who speaks English stands a higher chance of getting into big companies than a person who's not very confident in speaking English. So the fourth reason would be that people who speak in English tend to have a better dating life. If you want to impress a girl, there are higher chances you're going to impress a girl if you speak in English. So why is learning English important? Is English a better language than other languages? Is it better than the language that you speak? Better than Hindi or Kannada or Bengali? Of course not. But as I said, there are many reasons that you need to learn English for your job, for your career prospects. And if you do have to learn English, it's always better to do it well. What's the point of knowing a language and having some half-baked knowledge about it? It's much better if you know the language well and you're far more able to express yourself effectively, just like any other language. I mean, would you want to learn your native language that you speak at home and not be able to express yourself effectively? That wouldn't be nice. So, if you're going to learn English, you might as well learn it well.
Hey, Abhishek.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. Did you start a new batch today?
Oh, yes, I did. But then, I had to take a break in between, so that's why I couldn't see you.
Oh, okay. What happened?
Oh, this ex-student of mine, he came to see me, and, I was really touched today. Because he came and he literally had tears in his eyes and he actually touched my feet. So, and you know why? Because he had been struggling for the last 5 years to get a good job, even though he's passed out from a very, very good college, but then his communication skills were not all that great. So, then he came to us and he did like 2 levels with us, and then finally he's landed a job with Google. So he was thrilled to bits. Yeah, he was thrilled to bits.
What level did you join?
He started with a 2A class and then moved on. So,
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
This kind of makes me think of this one student that I had. He joined at 1B class, and when he came to us for the first time, he could barely form a full sentence together. And he was really qualified. I mean, he was an engineer. But then, he used to sort of well up every time he had to speak in English. He said that he was scared of speaking in English. And then, I just told him that, why don't you just learn what you're doing here and do it well, and then it's going to come to you automatically. You're going to get better, and the more confident you are. I think at all these job interviews, what really matters is confidence and your ability to express yourself.
Yes.
And so he was with us for about 3-4 levels, and then by the end of it, he was flawless. He was perfect, and it's not just about the language, because he learned how to speak correctly, but it also helped his confidence. He became so much more of a confident person, and it was amazing to see that. And I think these are the bits that make you feel good about your job.
About your job, yeah.
You're finally making a difference in somebody's life. And it's amazing to see how English makes such a huge difference.
Impact,
Learning
yes.
a language makes such a huge impact to people's confidence.
I agree with you. I totally agree with you.
Most of us did not study in English medium, but still, most of the people believe that if you not study in English medium, you can't speak English. But it is not true. We can learn English in very easy way. Like we can learn English in a very methodical, practical way. Sorry.
कोई नहीं, continue.
Like speaking and listening, right? So most of us believe that if we in old age we can't learn English, right? But it is not true. We can learn any new language in different way and easy way, right? As many of us, we are Indians, and we can speak Hindi very fluently. How? We can speak Hindi very fluently because in our childhood we can learn, we can listen then, and we can
Listen and adapt.
okay, we can listen and adapt. So same way we can learn English in a same way. That's it.
Great.
Thank you. It's done.
हाँ.
So you can learn, you can enroll with us. Like we have new methods for English. Our instructor, what they can do is they give you more chance for speaking, right? With speaking, you can get more confidence in the classroom. And even though we have less number of students, with the less number of students, you can speak and you can do weaving with them, right? With weaving and with example, we can do very confidently everything, right? In any of other country, if you want to go, that English is a global language, as you can see, right? So if you know English language, you can manage yourself very confidently.
I am Yogita. पहले मुझे इंग्लिश में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी. आई वांटेड टू टेल यू, मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी. मैं इंग्लिश बोल नहीं सकती थी. मीन्स नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश. आई एम नाउ कॉन्फिडेंट आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग इन लिंगुआ, फ्रैंकली टेलिंग. earlier I couldn't face the crowd, I couldn't face people. लोग आसपास होते थे. I wanted to get out of that situation. I try to avoid them, but now I'm that much confident. Like I want to face them. I wanted to go. I'm looking for the people around. कि कोई मुझे मिले. I wanted to speak to them. So there I have gained confidence, and now I can speak confidently. What I feel after joining InLingua is, now I'm confident in my speech. Now I'm confident in my personality, and definitely it really helps me a lot to get a good job. Now I've got a good job in an MNC, and where I'm very much satisfied. I got promotions there. I'm so much satisfied, and in my personal life also, where earlier I was facing the problem of interacting with people, now I could interact with them very confidently and with a positivity.